Stop weight gain. Get 8-week fully customized keto meal plan plus deliciously easy keto recipes ebook. If you're looking to lose fat, then you have to try this brand new custom keto meal plan. To create this service, certified nutritionists, personal trainers and chefs united to develop keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable. The keto diet can help you obtain and maintain a healthy weight. The keto diet boosts brain function. The keto diet can help manage or even reverse diabetes. The keto diet reduces heart disease risk. The keto diet boosts mental well-being. The keto diet can be therapeutic for various neurological diseases. The keto diet may prevent and fight some types of cancer. The keto diet can improve gut health and bowel disorders. Impressive, don't you agree? And if you're ready to reap the benefits, you can get your customized keto meal plan. Here's what you'll get. An 8-week meal plan created based on the expertise of certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. Meals that have calorie and macronutrient content tailored to their specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variety to ensure they will get a wide range of nutrients and boost the likelihood of sticking to their diet. Meals that are based on personal food preferences to make their diet enjoyable and help them stay on track with their plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions to make meal preparation super simple, no prior cooking experience needed. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need in the upcoming 7 days. Visit healthmindbodysoul.net to take the free quiz and claim your 100% made-for-you keto meal plan plus deliciously easy keto recipes ebook.